Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new clearance, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These are these ribbed polo tops from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, little shoulder detail, fitted through the wrist, really good length through the front and the back. So it comes in white and navy. They were $18. They're now on sale for $9.61. Also on sale are these belted jackets from Free Assembly. So these have the mid-size collar, full button, 2 flat pockets. Comes in at the waist. Also has a lower pocket with the button on the wrist and the seam in the back. Really nice length. In the denim, also comes in the green. Regularly $42. They're on sale online for $26. Free Assembly sweaters. So these have that boat neckline, the little button detail drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, has the ribbed bottom in that navy and white stripe, also in the white with the light blue stripe, and they are going to be on sale for $8.95. Sneak peek top from Scoop. So this is very 60s. It has that floral embellishment, the smaller collar, Henley buttons fitted through the wrist, has the same fit through the back, and they are on sale for $12.35. New zip sweaters from Time and True. So these have that quarter zip, that seam detail, a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same kind of oversized fit through the back. I did see these online in some other colors as well, and they're on sale for $11.78. Sneak peek dresses from Time and True. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, drawstring at the waist, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, seam detailing through the back. In the camel, also comes in olive. There's pink and chambray, and they are going to be on sale for $13.43. These tanks from No Boundary. So they have an adjustable strap corset with the pads. Nice and stretchy. In that teal, there's also leopard and the polka dot. So the skirt comes in this print, and then also that print, and then this blue one we saw previously. And they are on sale for $6.25. So first up, these cardigans from Time and True. These are pretty new, and they're majorly marked down. Online only. In store, they're full price. So they have that drop sleeve. It's ribbed through the whole front. 2 pockets, also ribbed through the back, really good length. In this pink, gray, ivory, it also comes in black. Really good Barefoot Dreams dupe. Regularly $18.98. They're now on sale for under $10. Like I said, online only. Also in the velvet is this dress from Scoop. This has that higher neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, has a little ruching on the side. This one is on sale for $6.78. There's also this new denim belted jacket from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the oversized collar, lapel. It's that mid-tone with the belt, really nice length, and then it has this button detail on the wrist. That same relaxed fit through the back. You could see the belt loops that go all the way around. And this one is going to be on sale for $18.05. First are these new cardigans from Sofia Vergara. It's a zip up. It has that nice oversized collar or mock neck when it's zipped. Bell sleeve, shorter through the front and the back. In the beige, also comes in black. On sale for $6.48. New cardigans from Time and True. So these are that boyfriend style. It has a nice oversized tortoise button. Has the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the black, green, there's that coral and ivory. On sale for $10.45. Also new sneak peek dresses from Time and True. So they have that higher neckline, dolman sleeve. It's a ribbed stretchy material. Midi length, scoops in the middle. You could see the slit on the side. And then the same fit through the back with the seam detail. Comes in camel, also in the green. And on sale for $10.23. Colors in the satin dress from Sofia Vergara. So it says that plunging V, the button on the wrist, that little twist, a midi length, flowy, in the black and white zebra. Also comes in the black floral, and they are going to be on sale for $10.56. New faux leather dresses from Scoop. These have the smaller collar, full button, belt, relaxed sleeve. It's a shorter length. The material is so nice. It's what it looks like on the inside, like a super soft suede, and then has really good seam detail. This one is on sale for $12.46. Dress from Scoop. This one has that plunging V neckline, elastic and smocky on the wrist, also through the body. It's flowy through the front and the back in the black floral. Also comes in the solid black, and they're on sale for $12.56. Also new longer t-shirt dresses from Time & Tru. So these have that scoop neckline. It has that short sleeve. These are super soft and stretchy. Has the little pocket belt to put it in. Longer length, I would say midi length, relaxed fit, and then that seam through the back. Comes in the black, also in the black and white stripe, and on sale for $10.21. Also new gray pants to match back to the blazer. So these are from Scoop. They have the side button, side pocket, cargo pocket through the leg, flowy. It's called the utility trouser. On sale for $12.22. Also lots of stripes. This one has the polo, gold buttons. It is a cardigan from Free Assembly. It has that side seam detailing, ribbed wrist. This is the 2XL, so it is more of a fitted style. This one also comes in the solid navy, and they're going to be on sale for $9.55. I also love these crew neck sweatshirts from Time & Tru. These are more of a French terry, so they're not as soft on the inside. They have the crew neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. They also have the slits on the side and a little bit more length in the back. Comes in the olive purple, turquoise pink, yellow, beige, black. And they're down to $10, regularly at $12.98. New button-down blouse from Time & Tru. This has that scoop neckline, the gathering full button, has that pleated detailing with the button on the wrist in the navy, and they are on sale in one of the prints for $11.43. New poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the small collar, drawstring in the waist. It's full button, flows out with the eyelet trim. Same kind of fit through the back. You could see that elastic goes all the way around. Comes in pink. They also have navy back there. And they are on sale for $23.04. Also some new colors in these Henley ribbed hoodies. They have that drop sleeve, tortoise button, relaxed through the wrist, scoops in the middle with the hood in the back. Comes in teal, also in black, in that coral and olive, and they're on sale for $12.70. New long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, has the relaxed wrist with that little pleated detailing, the two front pockets, midi length, or it's shorter length, probably about knee length. Comes in the white with the gold, also navy in the stripe, and these are on sale for $8.78. Also in that balloon style is this one from Free Assembly. It has the crew neckline, oversized balloon sleeve. It's a poplin material. Now we're seeing it in the red. We also saw it in this plaid, and they're going to be on sale for $10.45. Also with the Sherpa trim are these coats from Scoop. So they have that oversized collar, the side zip with the same kind of trim all on the inside. The whole lining has the side pocket, the little relaxed wrist with the trim at the bottom. We saw this one in another color, and they are on sale for $26.25. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that rib neckline, the gold buttons, the two front pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the ribbing. It's a shorter fit, but relaxed. This is the medium. In the red, I'm also now seeing it in the black, and these are on sale for $19.99. Also new dress from Scoop. This one has that smaller collar, the little keyhole fabric covered button, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist. This is the extra large, so it is a shorter length. It's satin fabric with that seam in the back, and they are going to be on sale for $14.45. Also new coat from Scoop. So this has a mid-size collar. It has this little buckle detail, has this faux suede lining, seam detailing through the arm with the side pocket. Also has the buckles on the side. This is the extra small, so it is an oversized fit. And these on sale for $18.47. New puffer jacket from Free Assembly. This one has a mid-size collar, zip. I love this plaid print. Has a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed through the wrist, snap pockets with the toggle. It's lined on the inside, and then the seam detailing in the back. On sale for $12.85. Also new sweatshirts from Free Assembly. These have that wrap front, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, little slit, some length in the back. And they're on sale for $16.99. Then to match, they have these sweatpants. These have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the 2 front pockets, tapered leg with the seam detail. It's the same French terry with that same kind of fit through the back. And they are on sale for $16.99. New scallop tanks from Free Assembly. So these have that trim scallop on the side, ribs stretchy through the body. These sell out so fast, so don't wait if you're interested. On sale in some colors and for $4.75. Mock neck sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, has these gold buttons. They are functioning. Sleeveless, the 2 flat pockets, really good length. It's about knee length. In the red, also comes in navy, and on sale for $9.45. They also brought back these sweatshirts from Time and True. So these have that drawstring in the neck. It has that mock neck style with the side seam. I love this new fabric. It's like a textured with the ribbed wrist, has the little kangaroo pocket. Really nice length of rib panel on the side, and then the seam through the back. And on sale in the green for $12.70. New waffled zip-up jackets from Time and True. So these have the drawstring, drop sleeve, the banded wrist with the kangaroo pocket, hood in the back. It's a flowy, relaxed fit in the blue, black, and beige. There's also that coral color we're seeing a lot. On sale in some sizes and colors for $12.99. And then also new little embroidered button down from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button, a little bit of a drop sleeve, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, a little bit length, just like a tiny bit of length in the back with the seam. And it comes in the blue, also in white. Could see the detail through the sleeve, and on sale for $6.45. And then they also have in the same prints the short sleeve with the pants option. So the same rounded collar. It looks like the tee is a little bit longer, the top. Pants have the elastic waistband, side pocket, flowy leg with the pipe detailing. There's the hearts, the swans, and the red with the pink hearts. There's also that black floral. We saw the pink polka dot and solid black. And those are also on sale for $13.58. Mock neck and turtlenecks are also on trend. So this is a new one from Scoop. It has that ribbing at the top, drop sleeve. It's a thinner stretch material, has that rolled hem with the bottom. In the light blue, also comes in white, and on sale for $10.81. New faux leather coat from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar zip front, 2 flat pockets, a little button detail on the shoulder, and then the button on the wrist. The seam fit through the back with the seam detailing. On sale for $12.45. New side button long sleeve tees from Free Assembly. So these have a boat neckline. They have the little gold buttons on the side. Fitted through the wrist, really nice ribbed and stretchy material. Same kind of fit through the back. This is the extra large. That's the medium. So it is a relaxed fit. In this stripe, also comes in the navy and white stripe, and they're on sale for $12.80. New blazers from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, lapel, lined on the inside, relaxed through the wrist, has the gold button, the trouser style pocket on the front with the seam in the back, in the blue and white tweed, also the pink. How pretty is that pink color? And they're going to be on sale for $32. First up are these shackets from Time and True. They have the smaller collar, full button, 2 pockets, a nice French terry material. That's what it looks like on the inside. Has the drop sleeve, button on the wrist. You could see the scoop in the middle, a little bit more length with the seam in the back. Comes in the light blue, also in the beige. On sale for $14.62. They also brought back these tunic tees in some new colors. They're from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline, the drop sleeve. They're super flowy, lightweight, perfect to layer, tuck in. You can knot it up. You see that length in the back. And then that same kind of relaxed fit. And this new blue tie-dye also comes in a pink tie-dye. There's a baby pink, the like Tiffany blue, olive, and coral. On sale for $5.80 for a 2-pack. Also new soft sweaters from Time and True. These have a crew neckline. The material looks like up close, so it has this chenille look. The drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, longer oversized fit, has the slits in the back, has length with the ribbing. In the white with the blue stripe, also blue with on sale for $12.85. So first trend we're seeing is 60s modern, so like Jackie O, Chanel. This dress is from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, relaxed sleeve, the drop tier in this tweed print, so it looks like up close, has the zipper in the back. In the navy and white, also in the black, on sale for $17.79. I think this drop tier dress from Scoop is very like 60s mod. Has the tapestry kind of material, the band around the neck, sleeveless, flowy with the drop tier ties in the back. And these are on sale for $10.66. Pairing it with this sneak peek skirt from Scoop. So this has that little pleated detailing. It's a nice length, has the elastic through the back. They are going to be on sale for $9.03. Also new button down top with the satin pants pajama top, and pants. So these have short sleeve, smaller collar, lapel, silver buttons. It's a boxy fit top. Pants have that elastic waistband, nice and wide, and then they have the little slit. In this black, it has a very subtle leopard. They also have pink with the black leopard. There's this pink with the floral, the rose gold buttons, and then that pink with the mauve stripe. On sale for $10.81. Wearing it with the crop denim jacket from Levi's. So I'm pretty sure this is like almost the same wash. It has the flat pockets, drop sleeve. This is more of a shorter boxy fit, and they're on sale for $27. Also new ballet flats from Scoop. These have the square toe. We saw these in some other colors. Now they have them in the pink. I'm pretty sure these are on sale online for like $10. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.